Hello!
Hi!
Today is Yanna'S assessment sa isang online tutor services. Tapos, I just found their Facebook page and then gusto ko lang matry. By the way, this was suggested by one of my mommy friends. And gusto kong itry for Yanna kasi gusto ko lang may basic na siya. Kaya ayan, ito na. Baby, are you excited?
Yeah.
You have to sit properly. You have to sit properly. Don't sit like that. Don't sit like that. Sit nga ka ng tarong bakay ka ng nga naman mag-school. Na si teacher. Yes.
Hello. Hi.
Hi.
Good afternoon. Can you hear teacher? Hi, Yann'a. How are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine. That's amazing to hear. Hello, Mom. Are you there? Is your mommy there?
Hello.
Smile. Wow, that's beautiful. So, Yann'a, how old are you?
Tell teacher.
I am.
Uh-huh.
Four.
You're 4 years old. Wow, that's good to hear. Welcome to my class, and I am so happy to see you today. Okay? Did you eat your lunch? Have you eaten your lunch?
Yes.
What did you eat?
Hot dog.
Okay. Well, let's start with letters. I will show you a letter. Tell me the letter and sounds. Okay? Okay, ready? Okay, for a moment, dear. Let's start. Teacher is looking for it. Okay. What is this letter?
A.
Very good. What's the sound? Ah. Say it, teacher. Ah.
A.
This is A.
A.
What is this animal? Do you know?
Crocodile.
Yeah, looks like a crocodile. You can also call it alligator.
Alligator.
Alright. Do you have an what's the color of the alligator? What's the color?
Green.
Yes, good job, Yann'a. Let's go here. What is this letter?
B.
Of course. Now let's say the sound. Follow teacher. Very good. What is this? Bear.
Bear.
Yes. Do you have a teddy bear?
Yes.
Wow. What's the color of your teddy bear, Yann'a?
Is brown. So
Brown.
many teddy bears. So many teddy bears.
You have many teddy bears? Wow, good for you. Let's go here. What is this letter?
C.
C. Oh, what's the sound of C? Okay, good job. Say it again. Come. Oh, what is this animal?
Is a cat.
It's a cat. What's the sound of the cat? Meow. Do you have a cat, Yann'a?
No, I have only dogs.
You only have dogs. I see. What's the name of your dog?
Woof woof.
Woof woof. I have a cat, but he's sick right now, so he's in the veterinary clinic. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I can show you him next time. Okay?
Okay.
And next, what is this letter?
E.
E. Very good. What's the sound? Follow teacher. Eh. Oh, what is this animal? What is this animal?
Elephant.
Very good. What's the sound of the elephant?
Mm.
like a loud noise, right? Have you seen an elephant? Have you seen? Yes. Okay, very good, Yana. Okay, next one. What is this letter? Forgot? Say it with me. H.
H.
Let's see the sound.
A.
Okay, what is this animal?
A horse.
Yes, there you have you ride a horse?
Not yet. I just
Not yet. Because?
Because it's still far. We just go on a car.
Oh yeah, that's okay. Well, let's go here. What is this letter?
L.
Very good. What's the sound of L? Say it with me. What is this animal?
Tiger. Ha.
It's a...
Tiger.
Is it a tiger?
Lion.
Very good. Have you seen a lion?
No.
No. What's the sound of the lion? Like that. Are you scared of lions yet?
Yes.
Yes, me too. They're pretty scary.
Yeah.
Okay, next one. What is this letter, Yana?
I don't know. Teacher.
What is the animal first? What's the animal?
Monkey.
Mom? Very good. So what is the letter M?
Letter M.
Very good. Let's say this out. What's the sound of the monkey? Have you seen a monkey, Yana?
Not yet. I just saw it on the YouTube.
Oh, you just saw it in YouTube. That's fine. Oh, sit properly. Okay, very good. Next one. What is this letter?
Oh.
Oh, O4? What is this animal? Ow.
Ow.
Yes. Okay, let's see the sound of O. Oh, oh. Very good, Yana. Take a bite. Very good. Okay, this time we shall blend sounds together. Are you ready? Ready? Can you see it?
Yeah.
Not yet.
Okay, let's choose a color of pen here. Which color of pen do you like, Yana? Choose here.
Pink.
Pink. Oh, that's a beautiful color. Let's say it together. Follow teacher, okay?
Ba.
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 Very good. Next one. Ka. Last one. Da. 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 Yeah. You are such a smart girl. You did fantastic. High five. Wow, very good, Yana. Okay, this time I want you to count for teacher. Okay? Count, go.
1, 2, 3. Let's get 1.
Just count. Don't sing. Just count.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 11, 12,
What was that? 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now, how about 11? 11, 12,
13,
uh-huh,
14,
15,
11,
16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Today is Yanna'S first day of class with teacher. Who's your teacher? Teacher Rosie. Nag-eat pa siya and naghulat na lang ni og pila ka minutes. And then after that, mag-class na siya. Unsa kay gamaan niya. Muni yung snacks. Nasunog ang toasted bread and then grapes.
Hi guys.
Are you excited today?
Yes.
What is the name of your teacher?
Teacher Rosie.
Teacher Rosie. So we're just waiting for Teacher Rosie.
What is your favorite color?
Pink.
Pink. I thought it's yellow because you have your yellow. And then your goes it's yellow. Okay. By the way, are you ready now? Uh-huh. Oh, don't be shy with Teacher Rosie, okay? Uh-huh. Okay. Ready? Thumbs up if you're ready, Anna. Mm-hmm.
Thumbs up if you're ready.
Yay. Thumbs up if you're ready. Yay! Okay. Very good. Again. This is letter. Letter.
E.
Yay! And next is letter. Okay. The sound is up.
W. W.
Not yet. For the W, this is letter U. Can you say it?
U.
Ooh, very good. U for umbrella. Ooh.
Umbrella.
Where's teacher na?
Nalakaw na siya because nabaybay na siya.
Bye-bye na siya. So, unsa ingon ni teacher? Tomorrow daw again? Okay. So, what did you learn today? What did teacher teach you?
Na-ask na si teacher kay ako.
About?
When wala na lang virus, na-ask na lang.
Pero unsa gikuha ninyo ganina ni teacher? Unsa gibuhat ninyo ni teacher ganina?
Nag-alphabet ta. Nag-alphabet ta.
Nag-alphabet. Very good kay ka.
Yes.
Wow.
And number.
And numbers. So, mag-snacks na kakaron.
Yes.
Sit down sa kay tarungon ni mami.
Si camera ba?
Camera ang magusto? Sige daw.
What?
Ah. Sige na, eat na ikaw. Nalubat, but gusto lang na ako nga i-enroll siya na sa kaning online because dili pa siya kaayo kabalo. So, para pag magklase na siya pohon sa formal classes, at least kabalo na siya. And sa napansin ako kaganina, di ba, medyo maglisod yun siya and yung attention span, mubura gid kaayo. So, mas maayo na nga na ay makatutok gid sa iya nga teacher, bahalag online lang nga mag-teach gid sa iya ha. Although, ang ako ang nakitaan nga struggle or challenge ani nga online class is that, syempre, una, it's online, di ba? So, dili gyud niya makuan siya na kanang mapugos og answer ani. And ikaduha, since online siya, so ang internet, basig maghinay kalit ang internet, mupod na akong worries, or kaya basig mag-brown out, ana. And then ikatulo, ang ako ang worried pod, ana, is dialect or language gap. Kay Bisaya biya minyo Tagalog iyang teacher ba, so usahay nagabisaya siya na dili kasabot iyang teacher unya iyang teacher pod pag magtagalog dili pod makasabot siya na sumuon ang mga challenges. And but so far okay man siya on the first day. Teacher Rosie is good, although medyo naalam po'y kulang on her part, I have to be honest, but first day pa man pod, so let's see ugma, and then in the next days, diba? So obserbahan lang po na to na siya. So that's it. I'm just sharing Yanna'S first day sa yung online tutor class. Maulang to for this vlog. So see you again sa next vlog na to. Bye!